Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all doing good. Today we are gonna be putting together the dining table setup. If you are new and love for you guys to subscribe, join the family here. And now let's get right into the video. Before start doing the dining table, I wanted to give a small touch-ups in the mirror space. I'm placing the garland on top of the mirror and then using with the help of S hook, I hanging the wreath. Since this garland looks plain and empty, I have added these flowers to give a better look. I have used these bold artificial plant on both the corners of the mirror and onto the walls I have hanged them. Now let's move on to the dining table. This time I am using this dining cloth, and last time I have used white tablecloth. I had these ribbons and I hang it on the dining chairs. Now I am bringing back this tree near to the dining space area which was placed earlier here. Okay, next step I am putting this red check runner middle of the table. I have taken this flower pot and keeping this artificial Christmas flowers, and two of them are red and other two of them are golden color, which gives a good combination look for this festive season. To add more attractions, I have placed some artificial plants around the pot, and then I'm keeping some two hanging that gift boxes front of that. As I already mentioned during my Diwali haul video regarding these candle holders, which I am going to place this on this side of the table. These Christmas mats, placemats, you can get it from any discount shops in a cheap price. Then I got my plate chargers from home center and placed them out. They are gold and white chargers. Then I ended up just going with the white plate with the red flower designs in it. It's very simple, classy, and will go with a lot of different occasions. Then followed that up with a smaller matching side plate. We just wanted to keep the table really festive look, but yet simple and elegant all the same time.
Time of the year now, you got people falling in love. It brings you good cheer now when that mistletoe is above. Can you Santa driving the sleigh, or was it the Grinch and he got away? Kevin's alone, not acting afraid. Never get a white Christmas, but today snowflakes falling down, it's Christmas time, but you're not here right now to put up the lights. The candles on the mantle, they don't flicker like they used to, with the snowflakes falling down. It's not Christmas time without you. No, 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 no.
It's been a few years now, and this cold town's not quite the same. I wish you were here now, by the fire, stoking the flame. Can hear Santa driving the sleigh, or was it the Grinch and he got away? Kevin's alone, not acting afraid, waiting for a white Christmas, and today snowflakes falling down, it's Christmas time, but you're not here right now to put up the lights. The candles on the mantle, they don't flicker like they used to, with the snowflakes falling down. It's not Christmas time without you.
No, 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 it don't feel right without you.
No, 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 it don't feel right without you.
I hope you guys really did enjoy this video, and I hope I gave you some ideas. And don't forget to subscribe, and I have a couple more decorating videos coming up, so stay tuned. I hope you guys stick around, and we will see you guys the next one. Until then, bye, take care.